What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button because this is the channel where you're going to get all you need to know about binary options. I'm going to carry you up from a beginner to when you can actually start being profitable. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing my live trading session, and by watching this video, you're going to learn the strategy that I use to make profits consistently. So pay attention and watch till the end, and you're going to learn a lot of things you're going to definitely need for your trading. Okay, guys, let's get right into the trading and I'll show you everything. Okay. All right, guys. So today we're going to be trading company stocks. As you see, we're here on the Pocket Option platform. Now, I've already selected some assets that will be above, as you can see, that have the best payout percentages and also best movement patterns. So it's very important you actually have a market analysis before you start trading and you choose this kind of things. Also, the indicators we're going to be using for today is our weighted moving average with a period of 15. We also have our CCI oscillator and our momentum oscillator. They're both the period of 15 as well. Now, today I really want to teach you guys how to use these indicators together to show you entry points, how you should enter the trade, and how to, interpret the signals coming from these indicators. So hopefully by the end of this video, guys, you won't have so many questions about, how to take trading decisions and stuff like this if you pay attention. And I hope that's the case. Anyways, guys, that is all for the intro. Now, of course, we have 1 minute time frame expiry as usual, and we're also trading the 1 minute charts. I'm going to start looking for the first asset, and I'm going to take the first trade with $20. Okay, guys, let's look for the first opportunity, and then we'll start trading.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, so here we opened our first position and we took a long here. If we're unlucky with the first, then I'm going to open an additional trade. Okay, I just opened an additional trade here. I read the signal, but maybe we're a bit in a hurry, so we didn't get the ideal level. I kind of thought it would push up from there, but we're a bit late. Anyways, the second signal should end the profit, even if we lose the first one. I was kind of watching the crossover of the moving average, and that's the signal I was trying to use for my entry. We're a bit early. Anyways, it's fine. The second deal should end in a profit nonetheless. I'll try to pick more accurate signals just so that I can teach you guys as much as possible in this video. Okay, so there you have it. The first one ended in the loss, just like I mentioned, unfortunately. But the second one should give a decent return, guys. Right now we're looking good so far. Let's try to keep that up. Okay, perfect, guys. So the first deal, second deal actually technically ends in a profit. Let's go with the maximum balance so that we can cover up our losses, and we'll look for the next entry, guys. This really messed up our trade. Anyways, let's look for more. Opportunities, guys. No problem. I mean, that's it about trading. Like, you can never really predict everything 100% correct, but we're trying our best to reduce the losses to the bare minimum. Let's move to the next asset. What do we have here? Okay, guys, so we just took our next trade. I took a sell position here, guys, and I think we have a good opening level as well. We have a good opening level. I guess this would have been a more optimal level, but I didn't expect it to go that far up. I'm still satisfied with the level that we have. Now, let's just kind of focus on our workspace, and I'll break this down. So first of all, we can see that this is a very reactive level. Price is coming a couple of times, and there was rejection when it came to these levels. Okay, and so we can expect that to happen again. Now we also see in the CCI oscillator, we're exiting the overbought area, and we see this slight crossover of the moving average. Okay, so definitely I can see that price wants to go down. It was a bit hesitant, but it definitely wants to go down. Let's see how this plays out in the last seconds, guys. Perfect, guys. Okay, so we're in with our next trade with a win. Let's update the balance and we'll get the next one in.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
Okay, guys, so I just took another trade here. I think this is a very valid entry point. I took a buy here, and let's actually just go deep into why I took this trade. Okay, guys, so we see this impulse move going down. After such an impulse move like this, there's usually a correction, and we can also see that right now price is actually on a decent support zone, support area. We can see previous reactions at this level, at this zone, so we can also expect something similar to happen, reaching that zone again. And obviously we can also see an exit from the oversold area of the CCI oscillator, and lastly there is also a gradual volume color change on the momentum. Although I didn't really put that in consideration while taking this trade, but that is also another confirmation. So far, so good, guys. We were looking good for this trade. I think we're gonna end the profit. Woof! Nice, guys. Okay. Our balance is looking good so far. Let's update that. We started from $40, and right now we're up at 136. Let's try to maximize our profits for today, guys. Let's try to maximize our profits. Just going to really know how to read the signals from these indicators, guys. Like, if you can read the signals from the indicators, you're pretty good in the market. Like, you're really decent. Get the signals on time, and you can make moves when you need to make them, and just keep on doubling your money, guys. So that's what it's really about. I hope that by watching this video, you're going to be able to read the signals accurately, guys. Let's see if we can get another entry going on. Sweet, guys. Okay, so I just saw another entry, and this is also a very decent trade, to be honest. I took a buy here, and let's analyze that. Generally we're in an uptrend, but there is a slight correction. This zone was a previous support area, and price came there again, reacted by going up, and we see a cross on the moving average. Okay, we also see an exit from the oversold zone on the CCI and a gradual change in direction of the volume oscillator, guys. So this is like a very decent trade. Even if there is kind of like, there's some tension going on right now, guys, actually. Okay, I have a couple of seconds and things are not looking so good. Okay, guys. Okay, so we had our comeback in the last seconds. Fortunate for us. It's really tight, guys. It's really bloody tight. I thought it was gonna push up. Okay, guys, we got that one with a win. So there was an interference with our trade, and we almost lost this one, guys. To be honest, we almost lost this one, but it was a decent trade. I'm still kind of I'm confident in the trade reasons, just that the market behaves funny sometimes, guys. That was a good profit. Okay, guys, let's go to the next trade. I just updated my balance, and let's find another good trade. I'm trying to check for only like high probability setups because I'm going the maximum balance and we could lose everything. I just entered another one, guys. This is also another decent trade. We're trading with the trend, guys, an uptrend, and we took a buy. There's a good momentum happening over here. So there was a form of a local minimum over here, and after that the dynamics have been pretty going up, even after the cross of the moving average. Now there was a slight pullback, but it couldn't break the moving average, and we still have a push upwards. Okay, guys, now right now we can also see the volume oscillator, and even the CCI is giving us some signals of further upward movement. So we should get a decent close on this one, guys. We should get a decent close on this one. Let me just set this up. I love to use the fractal, but today I didn't start with it. But we can also see the fractals indicating the formation of the local minimum over there. Things are looking very good, guys. Sweet, guys. Okay, so we closed in a plus on this deal as well. We closed in a plus on this deal as well. This is just so sweet. You can see the formation of the local minimum over there. The fractal is just showing us that. And I'm really satisfied with today's results. So I'm just gonna go ahead to withdraw, guys, and lock in. You need to know when to stop so you don't lose everything, guys. This is something that took me time, like a while to learn, but you know, the experience, guys, you just know when it's not ideal to keep on trading. And that is it, guys. We have a total profit that's $462. This is very, very decent day, to be honest. I am pretty satisfied with the results. And more than the results, I really hope that you understood a few things from the way that I took the trades and how I read the indicators. Like, this is the most important thing. Like, if you took nothing from this video, like, take like how to properly interpret the indicators. If you're trading with indicators, of course, you still need to have an understanding of market analysis, and I have so many other videos that you can check, and you have a better understanding of reading the markets, like the raw charts. But at the same time, you need to also understand how to interpret the signals from the indicators. Will help you to get a more precise entry and exit for your trades, guys. Anyways, that's all for this video. Happy trading, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.